What is going on, everybody? I hope you all have had a fantastic day. I know I'm not normally in what you guys always see me in, but I want to keep this very real with all of you. So I want to keep up to date with my whole journey as well. So this is a pretty decent update on my hip replacement. So if all of you would know that I'm due to get hip replacement hopefully this year, but I've requested to go with a different surgeon, go through a different approach, which is anteriorly. Originally I was going through the back, but I want to go through the front. But today pretty much I found out that obviously this is all going ahead, but it's sort of up in the air if it's going to happen this year. I still classified as a category 3, so what that means is the wait list is up to a year, but they didn't really specify that if it was going to be restarting my wait list or if it was going to just be like what I've already banked. So it's been like 290 days since my last time I checked up, which was last year, and when I was originally put on the original wait list. So currently it's a bit of a waiting game. If anybody really hasn't seen much of my journey or anything like that, they probably don't know that I battled through AML, in remission, everything's all good, no signs there. But obviously I've got avascular necrosis, which is in my elbows and hips, so I will eventually have to get my right hip done. But first things first, I've got to get this left one sorted. So pretty much the up-to-date version of all of this is that I'm not overly sure where I'm sitting on the wait list. Originally, it was possibly going to be happening in June, but I want to get the best sort of recovery possible. And I want all of you coming along with the journey with me, because again, everything that I go through reflects exactly on what I do with my day-to-day life and what I want to get out of my life. So all of you have been on this journey with me from start to finish since my very first video that I posted when I got diagnosed and when I came out of hospital. And you guys have been so amazing with all the support, and I cannot thank you all enough. But basically, I was hoping for a bit more answers. I was hoping for a specific date after today, but obviously that didn't come to circumstance. But honestly, like the surgeon that I actually met, my surgeon, and he was honestly amazing. He was really upbeat. He really was like on point with what like I really wanted to do, sort of thing. So we're looking at, after I get this surgery done, it's about 6 weeks of no driving. But he said after that 6 weeks, I could pretty much do anything I really wanted. I'm not going to, because I don't want to wear it out. So that is a good sign, at least. But we sort of got like, there was like a resident that we talked to before, that she was sort of like, you're not going to be able to do any running, no nothing, you can just walk, that's it. And then he came in and said that we're able to do pretty much jumping, running, whatever the hell we wanted after the 6 weeks. So again, I was a bit leaving the hospital, I was a bit confused, and I wasn't 100% sure where I am on the wait list and what specifically I'm getting out of it. But like, when I think back to it, the surgeon was very helpful. I'm going to listen to the surgeon over the actual, like the resident. And he like outsources so privately. He has his own private practice, which is awesome. And he has awesome reviews. But again, like I'm still sort of learning about all of this. It's a bit wishy-washy in the way of, it's a bit of a waiting game at the moment still. I'm hoping to get a call about a specific date. They've got to give me about 4 weeks notice, which is usually the pre-op, what they usually do. So I'm very much hoping that this does go forward very quickly over this next couple months. But again, I'm going to always keep you guys up to date. I'm going to try my best to record as much of like my interviews with like the doctors and stuff like that. I wasn't able to today because it was the very first meeting. It was very fresh. So I wanted to keep it sort of like in the moment, not over asking questions or like anything like that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. And if you want to keep up to date, make sure you leave the notification on, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys all next time.